His Eminence, the 10th Daknak Rinpoche, is a great accomplished master of the Gelug tradition of Tibetan Buddhism and the recognized reincarnation of the Venerable Daknak Lineage. With profound wisdom and boundless compassion, he is a holder of a Ph.D. in Buddhist Studies and possesses deep insight into sutras and treatises. Upholding the ancient wisdom of past masters while responding to the needs of the modern world, he serves as a bridge between tradition and contemporary times. Rinpoche's Dharma activities extend across the globe. Tirelessly in both East and West, he spreads the authentic teachings and benefits countless sentient beings. His words are like nectar, cleansing the dust from afflicted minds. His deeds like the Dharma drum, awakening beings from ignorance. Every teaching he gives is a stream of Dharma nectar. Every act of care is a shower of compassion. Through his exemplary conduct and boundless kindness, he is not only a paragon of academic excellence, but also a beacon of spiritual refuge for all. With the union of wisdom and compassion and an inexhaustible ocean of vows, Rinpoche is a living embodiment of the Bodhisattva path in our modern age. May he remain in this world for a long time, continuously turn the wheel of Dharma, increase both merit and wisdom, and lead all beings in the 10 directions to the light of liberation.